I'm using my cell phone because my dash cam, the chip for it, I had it in my mouth transferring it, and I bit it too hard, bit down on it too hard, and it cracked. Doesn't work. I ordered a new one. But the purpose of this video with my cell phone here, a yellow Chevy Chevelle. Don't know what engine he had. We were cruising, my daughter and I just took her to work. We were cruising at about 55 miles per hour. I see him coming real hard on the Belt Parkway in my rearview mirror. The guy came up really hard, accelerating. As soon as he got right beside my car, honest to God, I stepped in it. My rev limiter is at 4,400. I pulled away from him 3 times on the rev limiter. Now my point is, I couldn't believe it. I just couldn't believe it. And as a Chevy Chevelle, again, I don't know what motor the guy had in the car. I just don't know. But it's a yellow Chevy Chevelle. And when he got, right after I finished with him and was about to make my turn off on the exit here, he got beside me, of course, because I was already on the brakes and everything. And he hit the accelerator 3 times. Ram, ram. I told my daughter, I said, you see that, baby cakes? Now he's trying to scare me after the fact. But it was great. That's the first time since I've owned this car, in the years I've owned this car, someone pulled up, I'm very excited, and tried something. Thanks to Buick Torque. I tell no tales, my daughter's my witness. Oh, look at this traffic. Thanks very much. But it's okay. For that Chevelle got me excited. I can't even speak correctly now. All right, I'm gonna go home and see my baby and tell her the story. I love her. All right, thank you guys very much for your views, subscription, your likes and your dislikes, and have a great, great, great weekend.